Welcome to the Mussar video blog. So here we are during the week of the Winter Olympics, which are taking place right now in ping pong or something like that. In any case, when you watch them and you see these athletes performing incredible superhuman feats, like all of them, it's just amazing. So I was curious about how did they get to be so good. I was looking for some articles online about how they achieve their greatness. So one article said like this. He says, athletes spend years of their lives since childhood, build successful habits, and it almost goes completely ignored. So here you go. The key point he's saying is that they've been spending years, invested so much time to build successful habits. And it goes completely ignored. We just see the final product. We don't realize how much time and energy they put in to developing habits. And that's the key to their success. They develop habits in terms of their daily routine. They develop habits in terms of their overall approach to life. They develop habits in the way they move their arms, their legs, their head, their necks, you name it. It's all about habits, developing habits. And we don't realize that. That's what the author is writing here. So I was thinking about that, and it's very easy to move over into a Mussar approach. Because here we have Chovos Halos, duties of the heart, and he says, in the section called Cheshbon HaNefesh, which is translated as the gates of self-accounting, I'll just read you from here. He says, so too, my brother, both your soul and body require supervision and thought. Okay, ready? To strengthen and promote the soul, one must train it in morals and fields of knowledge, guide it in the ways of wisdom, teach it the personal virtues, and restrain it from pursuing its low desires. He's talking about we'll call it the animal soul, the human soul. He says, what do you have to do with that? Listen to the key word. It says, one must train it in morals and fields of knowledge, ways of wisdom, personal virtues, and restrain it from pursuing its low desires. The key word that he says is train it. Train it. Or in the Hebrew word is bahargila. Hargila from the word ragil, to become something which is habitual. You have to train yourselves to have these habits. Just like what he says about successful athletes. So if we want to be gold medal winners in our midos, in our traits, in our Mussar approach, in our pathway to holiness, if we want to be gold medal winners, it's the same thing. It's all about training. It's all about developing good habits. Studying Mussar, maybe journaling, growing. How do we approach events that happen in our life? What should be my outlook towards my challenges? How do I navigate all this? It's all about habits. That is really foundational to the Mussar approach. So it's really interesting that that's foundational to success in the Olympics as well, because in a certain sense we all want to get the gold. We all want to make it to the top, but just remember, you don't just get there by hearing something, thinking about something. No. It's about changing, and that comes by developing the right kind of habits. I wish we all get the gold. There's a lot of goals to go around, so good luck to everyone on achieving that. See you next time.